MAC Hoop tournament's beginning tomorrow, but for Toledo's men's team, the MAC West champions, they have a first-round bye. UT will play Thursday night at 6:30 against the winner of Miami and Ohio. Rockets 3-0 against those two schools this season. However, after losing to Eastern on Friday night, Rockets have now dropped 3 of their last 5 games, including 2 to the Eagles, a potential semifinal matchup on Friday. In fact, against the top 4 teams, Buffalo, EMU, and Ball State, Rockets winless this year. Meanwhile, Bowling Green, having lost their last 5 games, finishing the season as the 9th seed, will travel to Mount Pleasant tomorrow night to play Central at 7. It will be the second meeting between the two this year. Chips beat BG by 11 at the Stroh Center back in January, despite the Falcons leading at half. BG will have to do a better job defending the 3. Central 11 triples in that meeting, while Bowling Green turned the ball over 18 times. As for the women's tournament, similar format. First-round games on campuses tomorrow. Quarterfinals will be Wednesday, though. Semis on Friday, title game Saturday morning. Bowling Green heading to Kalamazoo. That'll be a 5:30 start, as Western's men's team are hosting a tourney game as well. Third meeting between BG and the Broncos. Western won both. Lady Falcons did end their losing streak on Wednesday night with a win over Akron, but scored just 38 points in the loss at Buffalo yesterday. Lady Rockets also in action tomorrow, but they will be at home, as the defending MAC champions finish the year as the 7th seed, hosting Kent State. Tricia Culp's team has lost their last 3, all close games, including yesterday's 5-point setback at home to Central. Rockets lost to the Golden Flashes at home back in January, which ended UT's 15-game home winning streak.